Scholarship Avenue Official. My name is Dominic Boachinyama. In this episode, we are looking at the solution to question 3 and 4 of our frequently asked question about foreign scholarship application. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and run through our video list to watch the first episode on a foreign scholarship application. In episode 1, we established a solution to these questions. Question number 1, what is the first approach to foreign scholarship application? And question number 2, what are the necessary requirements or documents I will need before commencing on a foreign scholarship application? And in this video, these are the questions that we are going to look at. We are going to look at entities that offers foreign scholarship to international students, which is our question number 1. And question number 2, do I need admission to abroad university before commencing on a foreign scholarship? So, entities that award foreign scholarship to international students can be grouped into 3 categories. These are 1. International body, 2. Government, 3. Institution. And with institution, we have private institutions and individual agencies. Some of these international scholarship entities are: we have MEXT. It's a Japanese scholarship for international students with admission to study in Japan. Check out for additional information. We also have DAD. DAD is a scholarship for international students who want to study in Germany. Check for additional information. We also have Commonwealth Scholarship. This scholarship is eligible to students that originated from Commonwealth nations. Erasmus Mundus. This scholarship is to support European top quality master's courses and enhance higher master education in third countries. It's funded by European Union. Check for more information. Common foreign scholarship awarded by the government are: under the government scholarship, we have Australia Award. We also have GNPC, which also offer a foreign scholarship, and this is also given by Government of Ghana for all students whom have gained admission to study abroad. A common scholarship awarded by entity. For institution scholarship, have Dennis Holland, West London, 8 Chancellors Scholarship, and many more. In our next episode, we will visit some interface of websites that we can apply for all these scholarships. Now, with our second question for this video, which is, do I need to gain an admission abroad before commencing on a foreign scholarship application? And the answer is yes, you need to gain an admission before commencing on a foreign scholarship application. This is because foreign scholarships are applicable to students with admission to pursue their study abroad. And because of this, it's always advisable to apply for an admission first before commencing on a foreign scholarship application. However, some foreign scholarships are awarded automatically as the student gains admission to pursue a course. For better understanding, we hit on scholarshipfordevelopment.com, which in short, scholarsfordev.com, and we look at this scholarship, University of Twente Scholarship. Now we hit on it. Let's hit and see. Yeah, so we have the scholarship site here, which is University of Twente Scholarship. last updated was 30th March 2021. Let's read the information that we have here. Now, with the deadline, it starts in 1st February and ends in 1st May 2021. That is an annual opening. Study in Netherlands. Now, with the question on board, do I need admission to a university before applying for a scholarship? Now, we have host institution here, which is University of Twente, the Netherlands. That is where this scholarship hosts. And we have the level of field of study. So you can see qualifying master's program offered at the university, meaning we have given you the courses that the university offers. We have a line of them here. Now let's look at number of scholarships. That is approximately 50. So meaning 50 students will be awarded with this very scholarship based on the number of admission they will get. Now let's look at the target group. So we have international students from both EU or EEA and non-EU/EEA countries. Now, with the scholarship value, that is not much important to us now. Now let's go and look at the application instruction, which is very important to us. So let's see. You have to apply for a master's program first. This is where I am hitting much. You have to apply for a master's program first. Once you apply for a master's program and receive admission letter, you can apply for a scholarship with your student number. So this means that you must first gain the admission, because it will be within the admission letter that you can find the student number. Now let's see. The deadline for round 1 application, which opens on 15th October 2020, is 1st February 2021. So that is the first round. The opening starts from 15th October and ends in 1st February 2021. While the deadline for round 2 application starts from 1st February 2021 and ends in 1st May 2021. So under this, it's very important to know that you first need admission to pursue a program within the university, which after you can be eligible to apply for any scholarships, either is within the institution or is a government awarding scholarship, or you can go in as much of international. The only thing you need is the admission letter. So it is important to visit the official website to start application process and for detailed information on how to apply for this scholarship. So, talking about admission, let's look at how to apply for admission in a foreign institution. 1. Search for 3 or more of a foreign institution that offers your intended program. 2. Make sure to monitor the application opening dates and the closing dates. 3. Be sure of the mode of application, either it is through online portal or a submission of hard copy. 4. Make inquiries about the application processes by leaving a message in the university's comment box or sending a private message through the university's Gmail. Last but not the least, provide an active address and contact and make sure to stay alert after your application. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we are going to have you episode 3, which will cover this question: what are the eligibilities for a foreign scholarship application? And the second will be, where would I get updates on foreign scholarships? Leave your comments below, subscribe to SA channel, and don't miss any of our interesting scholarship videos. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and switch on the notification button. Scholarship Avenue SA, making student dream a reality. To join any of our platforms, you can leave a comment below.